Let's see if they will stay with us. Our practice is just gentle, but still if you feel that some poses are too much for you, you can just stay to your comfortable seated position and connect to your breath. You can also go to your lying down or course pose, Shavasana, and connect to your breath. Yoga is your own practice, so you always listen to your body. Whatever your body is telling you to do today, that's what you do, okay? In this practice, we might need belt. It's according to your flexibility or to the mood of your body. If you don't have the belt or the strap available, you can find a strap or a big shawl, long shawl that is maybe available in every home, and it's just that. Anything that is available for you, you will find it around that. Okay, so let's start. Bring one hand on the top of the lower belly and one hand on the top of the chest, and start this to connect to your breath. Do not force. You can close your eyes if you trust your surrounding, or just let them open, gazing very soft on the tip of your nose. Do not change your breath. Do not judge it. Do not force it. Just let it flow. In and out your nostril. Releasing tension in your physical body as your breath is caressing every joint and muscles. Releasing stress and worries out of your mind as your breath is caressing your brain cells. And freeing your heart as your breath is caressing your heart. Now when you inhale, expand the belly and the chest. On your exhale, let them contract. Inhale, expand the belly and the chest. Exhale, let the belly and the chest contract. One last here. And exhale. Gently bring your hand to the top of your nose and go back to your mouth. Let's go to our staff pose. Straightening your legs in front of you. Bringing your hands beside your body, release your buttocks out of the mat and then press your sit bones on the mat. Roll your shoulders up and down. Breathe. Breathe. So we're not leaning backwards and we're not curving the spine here. Just flatten the spine. Feel that like there is a thread pulling you up. Your gaze is on your big toes. And continue breathing in and out. Now when you inhale, flex your feet towards you. Exhale, extend, and point your toes away from you. Again, inhale, flex the feet. Exhale, extend. Inhale, flex. Exhale, extend. Inhale, flex. Exhale, extend. One last time. Inhale, hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, extend. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very gently go back and tuck your knee, wiggle your feet, release, and tension. Again, inhale, flex the feet. Lift your left leg up and bring it to the left. Extend the toes and inhale here and exhale. Bring it back to the center. Again, flex the left foot, inhale, bring it to the left. Extend it, bring it back to the center. Inhale, flex, exhale to the left. Extend the toes and bring back to the center. 2 more. Inhale to flex, bring it to the left exhale. Extend the toes, inhale, exhale, bring it back. On your inhale, flex it. Exhale to the left. And extend it, bring it back to the center. Press your hands and again release the butt cheek out of the mat, pressing the sit bones. Lift your left foot on your inhale and start to circulate for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse the circulation for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Up and jump. It's a little painful. Especially there are muscles in our body that we don't normally use, but however active we are. Now again, let's do that from the opposite side. Inhale to flex the right foot up. Exhale, bring it to the right. Extend the toes and bring it back to the center. Flex, inhale, exhale to the right. Extend and bring it back to the center. Inhale, flex to the right. Extend, bring it back to the center. 2 more. Inhale to the right. Extend back to the center. One last time. Inhale, flex to the right. And extend back to the center. On your inhalation, lift it up. Start to circulate. A small circle only. It's just along the hip joint. 2 more. And 5. Let's reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, tap your knee, wiggle the legs, chop the muscles to relax. Okay, that's good. Now, bring the left foot inside your thigh. Again, releasing your sit bones. You can get your belt and hook it on the center of your foot. Lengthen your spine. Again, I just want to remind you, don't put your foot under the thigh. It's just beside the thigh. Okay? Lengthen your spine. Hold the belt or the strap in both hands. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Keep looking forward as you pull your belt. And from the hip joint, fold. So stay here and keep adjusting yourself, okay? Inhale, open, and create space. Exhale, fold deeper. Again, inhale, open, create space. Exhale, fold deeper. You might find yourself naturally folding deeper and deeper. You might also not need your strap anymore. One last inhale here. Exhale, fold deeper. Stay. Keep looking to your big toes or 3 to 4 meters in front of you. Breathe. Again, if you can do this, do that. If not, just stay here. No problem. Your spine is straight. Shoulders are not lifted. Stay here. One last inhale. And exhale. Now, bring the left hand at the back of your spine. Our first variation is to just arch the back. Reach with your right hand back and breathe. Or you can press onto your left hand and push your hip in front, arching your back, reaching to your belly button. Breathe. Very gently. Release. Now, bring your left foot beside your knee. Lengthen your spine. Lift your opposite hand on your inhale. Keep flexing your right foot. On your exhale, have your knee. Twist your body and look over the back shoulder. If you want the deeper one, you can bring your foot outside your knee and lock the elbow and twist the body. Keep flexing the right foot. Breathe. And very gently go back to the center. Let's do those on the opposite side. Bring your right foot inside the thigh and hook your strap or belt on the center of your left foot. Release the butt cheek out of the mat. Lengthen the spine. Inhale here. On your exhale, pull the belt and from your hip joint, fold forward. Breathe. Again, inhale to create space. Exhale to fold deeper. It's a natural function of the body. Inhale, create space, and exhale. Stay and breathe. Again, maybe you don't need anymore your belt. You can grab your foot. Or if you are not comfortable there, you can just stay here. Keep looking to your big toes or 3 to 4 meters. Breathe. One last inhale here and exhale. Lengthen the spine. Bring your right hand at the back of your spine. Our first variation is just lengthening the spine, arch your back and reach back. Stay here and breathe, or bring your weight to the right hand and push to your baby one and breathe. Breathe. 2 more. One last and exhale. Release. Now let's bring the knee or the foot beside the knee or outside the knee, inside or outside, according to your flexibility or your mood for today. Let's say that. Lengthen the spine, lift the opposite hand. On your exhale, you can just rub and hug your knee, or you can lock your elbow and look over the back shoulder. Breathe. 2 more. One last. And exhale. To release. Beautiful. Now, bring the feet a little closer to you. Hip distance. Open your palm and put them, I hope you see, put them between your feet. That will be your hip distance. Okay? Stay here, lengthen the spine. Okay? So, bring your hands at the back of your hip. And from here, again, we can just shrug the shoulder blades, shrug the shoulder back and arch the back, look up and breathe. Or you can press your feet and your hand, squeeze your buttocks and lift to your reverse table. Breathe. Exhale. Go back. Again, we do 2 more. You can just stay here, reaching and arching your back. Look back. Stay here, or squeeze the buttocks and lift to your reverse table. And exhale down. One more time. Again, you can just stay to our first variation, or squeeze the buttocks and lift up and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go back and straighten your legs. Fold, fold. Again, if it is too much for you, use your belt, or just pack your chin to your neck and stay here. Gently lengthen the spine. Now bring your feet closer to you. Hug the back of your Lengthen your spine, move your sit bones out, and move your butt cheek out, and the sit bones on the mat. Lengthen your spine. Find your stability. We have different variation of this. We're going to both pose, but we are just on the gentle part of yoga. So you can just stay here by resting your tippy toe, lifting your heel, and breathe. That's our first variation. You want to play a little bit, lifting one leg up, tapping, lifting the other, tapping. And you can just stay doing this, or you can stay, see if you can lift both legs and stay here. Again, this is our next variation. Or you can straighten your knee and breathe. Again, if you want to challenge yourself, you can release and reach for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go back. Good job. Okay. Again, remember, we're just listening to our body. So if your variation is this, stay here, no problem. If your variation is playing around here, do that. If you want, you can stay here or here and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, one more time. Okay? Be with me. Let's do it together. Go ahead to your variation. You can go to your tippy toe. I keep on demonstrating it. But those who want to go ahead to their variation, you can just go and go and go. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the sole of the feet together. Your butterfly. Lengthen your spine and forward. Relax, relax, and relax. On your next inhalation, lift up. And this time, keep your feet connecting together and open them like a book. And while you're opening it, press your palm on the center of your feet. The sole of the feet and the palm are connected to our inner organs. So whenever we press or massage the sole of the feet and the palm, we are energizing our inner organs. Now, interlace your fingers on the top of your toes and activate your sacral organs, the organs from the belly button down, that area, and activate your Mula Bandha. We call it Mula Bandha in yoga, but it is our root block. It's the place of our body that whenever you want to pee and you control your pee, so that pee point, okay? So again, start to fly your butterfly. You can fly slow, you can fly fast. It's your practice. So listen to your body. Keep on activating your sacral organs from the navel down, those part of your body, and keep activating your Mula Bandha, your pee point. On your inhale, lift your knees up and hold your breath. Hold your breath. Keep activating your sacral organs and your Mula Bandha. And exhale. We do 2 more of these, okay? Connect and be aware on your sacral organs and your Mula Bandha. Activate them, and on your inhale, lift your knees up and hold your breath. Keep activating your sacral organs and your Mula Bandha. Hold your breath. Fly, butterfly. Again, one last time we do that. Activate your sacral organs and your pee point, your Mula Bandha. Inhale, lift your knees up. Stay and hold your breath. Hold your breath. Hold. Hold. Exhale. of your knees, square your shoulders. Inhale to lift your knees up. Exhale, push them down. So if this is painful, you don't need to push it down. Just stay until you can take it. Again, inhale, lift up. Exhale, push. One last time. Inhale, lift it up. And exhale to push. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring the left foot inside the thigh, grab your strap, open your right foot to the side, and hook your strap to the sole of your foot or to the center, holding the strap with your right hand on your inhale. Reach up. Exhale, pull the belt or the strap and go to your side stretch. You can look up to the ceiling, you can look to the center eye, or you can look to your toes. Breathe. Again, inhale, release, and exhale, go back. Again, you will find that you are naturally going deeper. It is the natural response of our human body. Inhale, lift up, and now find the maximum and stay here. So if your maximum is this, stay here, no problem. If your maximum is here, stay here, no problem also. Just breathe. 3 more. 2 and 1. Let's do it on the opposite side. Bring the right foot inside the thigh. Open the left foot. Hook the strap to the center of your left foot. Hold the strap with your left hand. Or if you don't like to use the belt, you just bring your hands outside, beside, or on the top of your shin. There's no problem here. Inhaling here, exhale. Bend an elbow to your side stretch. Inhale, go back up again, natural function of the body. You're holding your strap, pull the strap, and fold forward. One last time, inhale. Again, find your maximum. If your maximum is here, go ahead, stay here and breathe. If your maximum is here, go ahead and stay here and breathe. Whatever your body is telling you to do today, stay with your body. 2 more. And very gently release. Now go to your Sukhasana. And this time, our breathing exercises will be Anulom Vilom. It's also connecting into cooling the body and of course to bring more serenity and peace emotionally, mentally, and physically. Again, connect your index finger and thumb together. Let the other 3 straight away, but don't strain them. Let the energy flow on the tip of the fingers. We have energy in each fingertip, so let it softly on the top of your left knee. Connect your pinky finger and ring finger together. Release the middle and the index finger on the base with the palm. And this time, straightening the spine, your gaze is very soft on the tip of your nose, or if you trust your surrounding, you can close your eyes. We'll close its Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing. So we will inhale and exhale from left and right of our nostrils. So let's close first our right nostril. Soften your gaze on the tip of your nose. Exhaling fully to the left. Inhale to the left. Hold, open the right, exhale. Inhale to the right. Close, open the left, exhale. Inhale to the left. Close, open the right, exhale. Inhale to the right. Close, exhale to the left. Inhale to the left. Close, exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. Close, exhale to the left. Inhale to the left. Close, exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. Close, exhale to the left. Inhale to the left. Close, exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. Close, exhale to the left. Inhale to the left. Close, exhale to the right. 3 more sets. Inhale to the right. Close, exhale to the left. Inhale to the left. Close, exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. Close, exhale to the right. 2 more sets. Inhale to the left. Close, exhale to the right. Inhale to the right. Close, exhale fully to the left. Connect your right index and right thumb together. Let the other 3 stray away, lengthening your spine. Go back to your normal breathing without forcing it, without changing it. Just let it flow in and out your nostril. For today, again, thank your heart and thank yourself for you prioritize your well-being today. Keeping in the mind kindness, keeping in the heart kindness. And as you go to your day-to-day life, be kind. First to yourself and then to others. Thank you for sharing your energy with me today. From my heart to yours, I'm sending